Another thing about permaculture, what we're trying to do is trying always to work with the natural environment and its already existing elements and just implement it with the design. So here we have a very old, pretty much dying pear tree, which we decided to repurpose and have a kiwi grown on top of it. So interesting thing that happened is that not only the kiwi plants grow very well because they were originally shaded by the pear, but suddenly the pear came back because it's also mulched and shaded now by the kiwis. So now they are kind of all growing together, and this artichoke here is super happy, even though very barely watered and fertilized. But it's also enjoying the ecosystem of both of them. So as well as the yarrow on the ground. So it really never ends. It's always stacking functions, and it's always just more and more that you can use in the food forest. It's just so beautiful to play with it and watch it over the years. Yeah.
What a food forest basically is a copy of the natural system, the natural ecosystem of a forest, but replacing as many components as possible with edible varieties. In a natural forest, you have many different layers. You have the ground cover. In this case, we planted strawberries. You have a bush and shrub layer. In this case, it's sea buckthorn that can provide us nice berries later in the year, and is also a nitrogen fixer, so it helps improve the soil.
Another peach tree, and here where Franz is standing, we have a beautiful pomegranate that is already making lovely fruits. This is our little baby. It's the edible banana. It's the banana de Madeira. So they have their place in the nature.